Hi there! Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Julie DiMatteo from thepaperpixie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this super quick and easy snack size Hershey's candy bar treat holder featuring the adorable Hearts and Kisses bundle. This goes together so easily. You can get 4 of these out of a sheet of 8.5 by 11. Really quick and easy, and I just love the way it turned out. So let me show you how easy this is to make. We're going to start with a piece of thick, basic white cardstock that measures 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches, which means you can get 4 of these out of a sheet of 8.5 by 11. And along the 5.5 inch side, we're going to score this at 3/8, 3/4, 2, and 2 3/8. Really easy. I actually don't even have a template for you, but again, that's 3/8, 3/4, 2, and 2 3/8. Next, I'm going to fold and burnish on all the score lines. The next thing we're going to do is round these top 2 corners using the detailed trio punch. And then I'm going to grab a piece of tear and tape. Now you'll see that the score lines are kind of folding this way. We're going to put tear and tape right here along this edge, like so. I'm just going to grab my take your pick tool. If you have any excess tear and tape hanging over the edge, just fold it back on itself. And now what I'm going to do is fold on that first score line and third score line. So first and third, and then I can press this down flat using our score lines to get those all squared up. And then when we go like this, that is the perfect size for one of those snack size Hershey's bars. How easy was that? Oh my goodness. Okay, now we can do our stamping. We're going to be using this most adorable Hearts and Kisses bundle. I love the Kiss Punch, love this distinctive stamp set as well. We're going to use the watercolor wash, the lips, the heart, sealed with a kiss, and then this little bunch of hearts here. I've grabbed 4 great Stampin' Up! Colors. We've got Petal Pink, Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, and Real Red. All right, so I'm going to start with Petal Pink and that watercolor wash. And I'm going to stamp that right in the top part of our little treat holder here. Love that watercolor wash. Then I'm going to grab the little bunch of hearts and stamp this into Real Red. Then I've got a scrap piece of cardstock. I'm going to stamp the lips in Melon Mambo. And then the heart in Flirty Flamingo. Then coming in with the Kiss Punch, we'll punch out the lips and the heart. I'm going to take some liquid glue behind the lips. Then a trio of mini dimensionals on the back of the heart. Then for some added bling, I'm going to grab a basic rhinestone jewel, place that on the little heart. And then I've got a 5/8 inch strip of Real Red. I just cut it down to any size long enough to fit the sentiment, but we'll come in and trim it. I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Versamark ink. Sprinkle that with some white embossing powder. I'm going to go ahead and heat that up. Love the way that that pops against the Real Red. And I'm just going to cut this at a bit of an angle. Then trim off just a little bit off the end here. And with some liquid glue, we'll adhere that to the front of our treat holder. I'm going to put it a little bit towards the bottom. Again, we don't have our chocolate in here, and I can press this flat, so it does give me some leverage there. I've got my snack size Hershey's bar that I'll just slide right in there. And then to keep that chocolate bar in place, I'm just going to grab the white baker's twine from the Snail Mail Twine Combo Pack. And I'm going to wrap this around twice and then tie a bow. I do like to use reverse tweezers to do my bows. Once we have that where we want it, I'm just going to make those loops a little bit smaller. Trim off the ends, and there we have our sweet little snack size Hershey bar treat holder. Couldn't be quicker, couldn't be easier, and I love the way this looks with this collage stamping. On yesterday's blog post, I also created a coordinating card, and how cute would these be going together? We've got the XOXO sentiment paired with Sealed with a Kiss. Really, really cute for Valentine's Day or anniversary or even Galentine's Day. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss my next video. If you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products I used today, they'll be linked in the description. And I'll also include a link to my detailed blog post with all project measurements and supplies. I'd love to have you come visit me at thepaperpixie.com, where I post projects every weekday to inspire you. And if you don't want to miss a thing, you can subscribe to receive blog updates via email, and you'll receive an email each time I publish a new post. You can shop with me anytime at thepaperpixie.com/shop. And if you're interested in a discount on your Stampin' Up! Purchases, the starter kit is the ultimate bundle, and it's a great way to fill your wish list for less. You can purchase the starter kit at thepaperpixie.com/join, and I'd love to welcome you to the Stampin' Up! Family and my team of Paper Pixies. If you don't already have a demonstrator and you'd like free copies of our current catalogs, you can submit a catalog request at thepaperpixie.com/happymail. And if you give this project a try, I'd love to see what you made, so feel free to share it on social media with the hashtag #PaperPixie, and I'll be sure to check it out. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Take care. Bye.